Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you some pull-ups, different variations that you can do with your ONETWOFIT exercise station. First off, let's just start with a standard grip. So we're going to grab with our palms facing away from us and about shoulder width apart. And from here, we can engage the shoulder blade, pull straight up, and control it on the way back down. It's really important that you engage your shoulder blades. You don't want to be completely relaxed here. You want to engage those shoulder blades back and pull up. Equipment, and then we can curl our legs upwards. We can do straight legs. We can really hold it and control it slowly all the way down, breathing naturally as we do so. And we can also just do the knees. Notice I'm curling upwards, not just as high as my legs go, but crunching further to bring my tailbone off the backrest. Resist the urge to cross the feet in any way. If you need to pull your feet up behind you, that's completely okay, but don't cross over. We want to keep everything in a natural line. Go for the full extension of your push-up, not just these little ones in here, but a full extension. Work the full range, so touch your chest and nose down. Come all the way up for an overextension of the shoulders here, pushing all the way through, engaging those serratus anterior to rest, and then sitting up out of it. It's good practice to look up at the ceiling or up at the top bar the whole time so that we keep our chin off of our chest. If you're gonna put your hands up here over your head, do so lightly with your fingertips at your ears, not pulling forward with your hands, but just resting the fingertips right there.
Introducing the RELIFE Power Tower. Every kit comes with additional spare parts. Assembly is easy with all tools provided. Keep bar holders facing inside. You can put together the power tower by yourself or with help from a friend. Remove wooden plug before you put on the back support. The height of the pull-up bar is adjustable. Set it to your preferred height. Simple twist locks keep the power tower stable. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raise, push-ups.